Please download the Alibaba application and create a Google account before proceeding with this tutorial. Click on Continue with Google to sign up with your Google account. As you can see, all the prices are listed in Mauritian rupees. We're going to have to convert them to US dollars since we are currently using US dollars in Zimbabwe right now. Here is where you enter the card details of the MasterCard that I'm going to show you how to create in the next video. So make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified as soon as I upload the next video.